back. So this is going to be the third Lego update. So it's been like over a month since I've done the last one, and a lot has changed. So I just wanted to show you guys what was up and what we've been doing. So let's go. Okay, so if you look over here, you might be able to tell that it's a mess, kind of. But also up here on the wall, it's new now. Up here is the world map. If I gotta back up and show you guys. Right there, you can see it on the wall. Yeah, my brother got this and we just hung it up on the wall right here. So that's where the world map is. That's the new decoration for the walls, because the walls are so boring. They're just white all the way around. So now there's the map up there, so something walls. But if you come over here to my desk and stuff, I just have a big mess of Technic stuff, beams and stuff out, gears and stuff. That's because I'm making this over here. I'm just trying to see stuff with my NXT. So I can try this real quick. I made this claw thing, and the code just opens and closes it. That's all the code does right now. So yeah, that's what I did with this. And there's it's like a tank right now too. It's got tank treads on it, and that does drive. So that's what I've been doing with the Mindstorms lately. So you can kind of see. I've been trying to do it without the screen because the screen doesn't work. Over here, I just have more stuff. This is the ball that comes with the Mindstorms. But there's also this thing that came with my Mindstorms. It like shoots, kind of. I had the bolts for it already, but it doesn't always shoot all the time. So if any of you are like Bionicle collectors or anything and could tell me how this thing is supposed to shoot, that'd be useful. If any of you know. But yeah, that's pretty much a lot. That's pretty much what I've been doing lately. I've just been doing my Mindstorm stuff. And then also down here, there used to be the bag of Lego I need to clean down there. I cleaned it, and I just need to organize it now into my stuff, which I haven't done yet. But so yeah, that's my stuff. And then over here, the Black Pro, it's a lot better now. A lot more has happened. You can kind of see how there's two sides kind of to it now, like that. And you can kind of see the floors and stuff there. This is a new floor type that my brother came up with, instead of maybe not using the vents, or with the vents. But yeah, it's a ton of 1x1 bricks upside down, which is kind of cool. And yeah, that's the Black Pro right there. A few more cannons also. Over to my other brother's desk. He's not really got much going on here, but in the middle table, he's building a huge yacht right here, a big, really big white one. So you can kind of see everything that's going on right now. The railing right here isn't a bad idea. He's using the string for the railing, which is a pretty cool idea. And then yeah, he made a trailer for his tractor and this harvester thing. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that's going on right now. Also, if we go back over here to the filming table over here, my brother just got this. It's the ship in the bottle. It's missing a few pieces. You can kind of see there's a chunk missing right there. And if you go to the back, there's some clear pieces missing right there. You probably can't even see because they're clear. There's some pieces missing there, and there's a few sails on the ship that are missing. But it is mostly complete, and yeah, I got this on a pretty good deal. So yeah, that's also another thing right here, just the ship in the bottle. So one more thing I wanted to mention is, if I go down here, in that Mindstorm stuff I got, there was an old Lego brick. So if this will focus, you can see the old Lego logo on there. It's not the new one. It was an old 2x3, and we already have like an old 2x4 brick and another brick. I forgot what the other old brick was, but I just think it's cool to have an old Lego logo on them. But yeah, I also got that. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. So I've just been, me and myself, I've just been out to Mindstorms and stuff, and my brothers have just been working on their own stuff. But yeah, so as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.